Hello dear children, welcome to 6th standard computer science 21st class. Today we are going to see the next topic, insert video clip and action button in the slide, then print a presentation. Okay children? Okay. In previous class we discussed about lesson 7, enhancing a presentation. Topic, insert smart art in the slide, then edit this inserted smart art, then insert audio clip in the slide. Okay, did you understand, ma? Yes. Today we are going to see the topic. All of you take page number 73, using action buttons. Using action buttons. Children, listen carefully. Action buttons. Action means the fact or process of doing something typically to achieve an aim. Okay, so action buttons are the ready-made buttons available in Shapes Gallery. They are used to create a connection from one slide to another, like play a sound, move to another slide. Okay, so one slide to another slide, like play sound. Okay, play a sound, move to another slide. So one slide to another slide, like play a sound, move to another slide. So click the insert tab in the ribbon to insert action buttons into a slide. In the illustrations buttons category, press the shapes drop down button, then click the face of the action button to insert. So action buttons from the group. Okay children, so all of you take page number 73, ma. To insert an action button, follow the given steps. So first step, select the slide in which you want to add an action button. Then step 2, take page number 74, children. Listen, ma. Click on the insert tab and click on the shapes drop down arrow in the illustrations group. So all of you see the picture 7.14, selecting an action button. So for second step, click here insert tab and click on the shapes drop down arrow in the illustrations group. Click here. Okay, so then third step, click on the required action button from the bottom of the list. Click on the required action button. So all of you see the picture, action buttons from the bottom of the list. Okay, then fourth step, the mouse pointer will change into plus shape. Drag the mouse to add the action button on the slide. Okay, so plus shape, drag the mouse to add the action button on the slide. It will be drawn on the slide and action settings dialog box appears. So then next action dialog box appears. Okay children, then all of you see the figure 7.15, action settings dialog box. So will be drawn on the slide and action settings dialog box appears. Select the mouse click tab. So all of you see the picture, select the mouse click. So dialog box appears, then select the mouse click tab. You can link the button to other slides by using hyperlink to option, or you can link sound file by using play sound option. So click on the hyperlink to option, then link and sound file by using the play sound option to link the current slide to other slide. Okay children, last slide, then to play a sound. Okay, click on the hyperlink to option and select the file, like last slide from the drop down list. Then the last slide option will be displayed in the text box and click on OK button. Okay, then click on OK button. To play a sound, select the play sound checkbox and choose a sound that you want to play and click on OK button. Again click on OK button. So last, click on OK button, children, to close the dialog box. Then run the slideshow. So that is a PowerPoint presentation. Run the slideshow option and click on the action button in the slideshow to observe the action. Okay. Action buttons. Put an action button on your slide. Okay, children. On the insert tab, click shapes and then under action buttons, at the bottom of the menu, click the button shape that you want to add. Click a location on the slide and then draw the shape for the button. Keep the dialog box open and go to the next procedure. Okay, children? Yes. Next topic, printing presentation. Take page number 75, children. Listen, ma. Printing presentation. In preparing a presentation is to show it to an audience as a slideshow. Okay. So, but PowerPoint was originally designed as a means of creating and printing overhead transparencies. Printing is an often overlooked but useful PowerPoint. So, to print the presentation, then follow the given steps. Okay, children. So, first step, open the presentation you want to print. Step 2, click on the File tab and choose the Print option. Then the Print dialog box opens up on the screen. Then change the options like copies and options under settings. So all of you see the figure 7.16. Open the presentation you want to print. Okay, first step, click here. Then second one, File tab. Click on the File tab and choose the Print option. The Print dialog box open up on the screen. Then change the options like copies and options under settings like print all slides. Okay, so next step, print all slides. Then click on the print button. Then to print the contents of the slides of the presentation. So select file to print option. Then for printer, select the printer you want to print. For settings, select the options you want. Slides from the drop down, choose to print all slides. So selected slides and are the current slide. Okay, so for copies, select how many copies you want to print. Okay, children. So then select print. Okay, last, print option. You click on the print option. Is it clear to you, children? Yes. Okay. The shortcut key for print option. Which shortcut key for print option, children? Control plus P. Okay. Control plus P keys to open print dialog box. Okay, children? Okay. Can you understand, ma? Yes. Okay, next class we will discuss about this lesson, question answers and book exercise. Okay, children? Okay. So today homework, all of you read this lesson. Take page number 73 and 74 and 75. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you.